Hi guys, we already seen a lot of things related to ls command in our previous video. So let's do little recap for all the things which we have seen in our previous video. Okay, so we have seen about file system hierarchy, and it's about all the like subdirectories and all. And we have seen like important thing about ls-l and all these about what is the type of file permissions and all. And we have seen a lot of options with the ls command, and we are already completed up to hyphen capital F option. So our next option is ls hyphen small f. Okay, let me tell you what is doing. Okay, suppose when we do ls-f or ls-l, so you noticed in previous command it shows some color for directory and some color for text. Okay, let's see practically. So I already opened my virtual system, so control alt t for terminal, and I am at my home directory. I want to go to the desktop. Okay, and I want to go inside project, and inside project I want to do ls. So you can see here like it shows white color for text file and blue color for directories. So in case I am just I don't want these colors. Okay, I don't want like a white color, sorry, I don't want blue color for my directory. I want all the directories and file in my one color. So I can do ls hyphen small f. Now look, it is showing all the files e.txt, dot and i.txt, and we have actually these files inside our this folder, project folder. Okay, so if we don't want a color in our like if you don't want to see a color for directory and our text file, you can go with this uh, f option. Okay, so what is our next option with ls? So our next option with ls is I. It means actually what it does, uh, it remove colors. Okay, so let me make some notes for you. Okay, it remove. Okay, and what it means ls hyphen I option. So let me tell you like what is doing. Actually I means here node. Okay, when we are declaring anything in programming languages like any variable or something, it needs to be a memory in our like if we declaring an object, it needs a memory in heap. If we declaring any method, and it will goes in a stack like this, it needs a memory. Okay, so here like I means like inode number. So when we doing ls-l here, there are a lot of things like type of files, group owner, and file size. These all things need a some memory. So when we doing like anything like when we want to be a show our inode number, then we can say ls hyphen I. So let me show you this practically what it does mean. ls like this, lf hyphen I option, sorry, not t, I. So now you can see all these files are visible with their inode number. Okay, like b.txt is like 1574079, and f.txt is 1574214. Okay, like these all the files names, all the things are need to be stored somewhere. Okay, in Linux file system, so it needs an address. So inode, it shows the address of that files or directory. Okay, hope is clear. If you now also have some doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so let's move to the next option. It's R option. Okay, this is a little bit important. When I am doing here like ls, okay, it shows me the all the thing inside ls only. sorry, inside project directory, because I am inside project directory. So whatever present in project directory, like text file or my directory, when I do ls, it all come out, list out. Okay, but I want like okay, I want to make another directory, mkdir, it is demo. Okay, then one directory will be appear here. Okay, if you able to see here. Now I want to go inside my demo. Okay, now I am inside my demo. I want to create some files like touch ab.txt, and I want to create one directory, mkdir as. Okay, now if you able to see here, like we have two things, one directory and one is text file. Okay, so now when I just push a command here, when I come back to the my previous directory, sorry, we have to mention a space for that. When I want to come to the like my previous directory, like or parent directory, we can say cd and space and double dot. Okay, so now I am in my project directory. If I say ls, okay, it shows me only the list of directories and text file under my project directory, but I want whatever inside my demo directory also. Can you please show me that? Okay, it means I want a recursive call. I want to do a recursive call. It means like I want to show everything inside my child directories also, not up to my current working directory. Okay, like if I do ls, it's showing all the things in my current working directory, but I now what my requirement is, I want all the things list out which work in demo also. So what can I do? ls hyphen r. Okay, when you push this command in terminal, it will show you everything whatever inside your this directory. Like when you do ls, okay, there is your some files called ab, like this is your what this is your directory. Let me go into the project. This is your abc, and these are all text file. Okay, and it's saying there is nothing inside your abc, but you have something inside demo. Like how it shows, like if you notice the difference here, these are all text file, this is, these two are text file. Okay, but these are directory. So it system knows, okay, I have to show things inside the directory also. So it clearly mention here, this is your directory and nothing inside here. Okay, and this is a directory, it has some files. What? It has abc and it has as. Okay, hope it is clear now. Okay, we use hyphen capital R option for our recursive call. Like if we have a requirement for list out all the files and directory in child directories also, so we can happily use ls hyphen R. Okay, now we can go with our next option. It is hyphen s option. Okay, so here s means size. Generally we as mean size, and in here Linux system, one block means 1 KB. So in some 80% in Ubuntu systems, when you make a directory, it contains maybe 4 KB. Let's see in practical way, but according to my knowledge, it contains 4 KB. When you make any directory, it will take 4 KB to create that directory. Okay, so let's see in a practical way. When you do ls s, it will show you all the size of like what I say. Okay, like this is your directory, it takes 4 KB. This is your directory, it takes 4 KB. These are all your text file, it takes like 00 KB. Now let me do one thing, ls hyphen l and s, because I want to list out long listing. So here I told you in previous video, I will tell you what is this total 8. Okay, if hope you remember that I will I have told you like, okay, wait for some time, I will tell you this. So now the time came when I do ls hyphen l and s means, you know, like size, and lu means like long listing. So when you noticed here, your demo, it is your directory, your abc, it is your directory, Now you want to list out all the things inside your project directory. Okay, I keep remember one thing, we are not using here R option. Okay, so it is not a recursive call. So if I do ABC here and here, like sorry, if I do ls hyphen so L and S option, I want to use it, so it's showing me all the things with the size. So if you notice here 4 and here also 4, that's why it shows you total 8. Hope you got it. It shows you all the like what's your this or like memory required inside this project directory. Okay, so that's why it's showing here total. Hope you got it, like how it comes a total here, because it is 4, it is 4. If your file have something here, text file containing some data and all, then it will be size will increase and it will be added here, so result will come according to that. Okay, now we can move to the next option. So we can come here. So in this video we can add the ls command. There are many more options you can try by your own. Just do man ls, it will give you all the options you can try there. Okay, now these are the 4: head, tail and more and less. Some more important commands, I will tell you the little bit about them, and when it comes to the head and tail command, we will see in like I will explain you in a brief manner. Okay, so let's see what can we do with head and tail. Okay, uh, let me show you in practical way. Okay, I want to come out. Okay, not come out. Okay, I want to do ls etc pipe head. Okay, how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, hope you count it. The default value for head is 10. It means like I want to display a content of one directory line wise. Okay, I just need a 10 lines from like top to line 10. So I want a 10 lines from top, so I just go with a head. Okay, I am using like list out all the things inside the etc, but I use pipe here. We're gonna look this in after some videos. Okay, so this means head default value is 10. It is not restricted here. If you want to use some option like with head also, you can use this. Like how I want to list out 20 lines. Okay, then you go here and just and push this command, it will show you the 20 options. Okay, and same with tail. I hope you got it, like what is head and tail. Now if you want to like print some lines from bottom, then you can happily go with the tail like this. Okay, and same with tail. If I want to print 5 lines, yeah, happily I can print 5 lines. Okay, so I hope you got a little bit idea like what is head and tail. Yeah, definitely we gonna discuss these all commands in uh, like brief way in our upcoming videos. Okay, so now we can start, or we can see this more and less command. What is this? Okay, now if you see here, I just want to give you the little idea here. The more command is work for only forward direction, and less command only work for both direction. Sorry, less command is work in both direction and it is work for only for forward direction. Hope you got this, only forward direction. Yeah, I will post this notes and description, you can take from there. So uh, let me show you the practically the way of using more. Okay, how like it will show me the page wise. We are using head and tail line by line, and we are using more and less command when we want the data just page wise. So it is showing me the data in first page. Okay, I want a next page, so just do one thing, just press enter. Okay, next, like it will show you the next line, next page, like this. When you want to see like this, okay, just I am pressing my enter, enter, and enter. Okay, just you want to do next page, just there is a one button in your keyboard, like it will not work in here, it will work in the last command. Just press like this. If you wanna like enter, it will take you to the next line. Okay, and if you wanna come out from this, just press Q. Okay, and if you wanna work with less and the same manner, okay, this is a command work in a both direction. If I do it from my keyboard, like page down, page down, page down, page down, it will showing me the page down. Okay, now I want to come back, page up, page up, page up, like this. Okay, because it is working in a both direction. I'm not pressing enter here, I'm pressing page down and I'm pressing here page up. Okay, hope you got it. Just press Q here and come out. So that's all, guys. We are done with our ls command. So hope you getting all the answer with the ls command. So now in next video we are going to discuss our next topic. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.